refraction is that for refraction, light, alright, if that is light should enter from one medium to another medium, alright, to another medium, दूसरे medium, and these two mediums could be anything. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be glass, it can be air, it can be air and water, it can be glass and oil, it can be oil and water. कुछ भी हो सकता है. There is no limit to that. But there should be two different mediums. Is it clear, बच्चा? समझ में आया क्या? That there should be two different mediums. That is the requirement. Okay. Two different things. Very good, bachcho. Very, very good. Chalo. So guys, let's answer a question and let's see if you are going to answer it correct or not. Alright? So chalo, jaldi se answer karo bachcho. If the light enters from one medium to another, it is called as reflection, refraction, dispersion or scattering. Very simple question, guys, and I think my students are ready. So tell me, I am giving you a choice right now. Shall I make this question a coin question or shall I go with a simple one? बताओ बच्चों, क्या करा जाए? Let's tell me. A coin question or a simple one? Coin? Okay, guys, chalo. On your special demand, let's go with coins this time. So it is a coin question, बच्चों. Make sure that you answer it correct. All right, 3 to 1. And guys, do you know what I will be needing for the experiment that we'll be doing? It is the glass only. तो सिर्फ अपने को glass की जरूरत है बच्चों. We just need a glass and some water in it, and we are going to do the experiment right in front of you. So till then, just make sure that you hurry up. Okay? Hurry up, bacha, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Last 10 seconds have started now. Be quick. Let me drink some water. Okay. Very good. So the correct answer that we have over here is refraction. Now I saw that 10% of the people answered reflection. Beta see. Reflection is bouncing back of light into the same medium. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो क्या? If there is a surface and light falls on the surface, okay, so it will bounce back into the same medium. This is reflection. But when we talk about refraction, so let's imagine that we have water, okay, and let's imagine that a light ray is coming. So the light ray is going to enter into it. This is refraction, bachcho. I hope it is clear, and I hope you can see the visible difference between reflection and refraction. So reflection किसमें होता है? Reflection basically occurs in the opaque surfaces like wood, wall, person, anything. Refraction occurs in mostly translucent or let's say the transparent surfaces. Is the difference evident, बच्चों? दोनों के बीच में difference clear है ना? Can you see the difference between these two things? Right? Pretty simple, right? Okay. Now, students, I'm very sure that you might be thinking that, sir, but you did not tell us that why the light is bending. Yes or no, bachcho? How many of you have the same question in your mind? That, sir, why the light is bending? Because I know that most of you must be thinking that, sir, you did not tell us that, right? But I remember that, bachcho. I know what you were thinking. So, bachcho, are you ready for a small experiment? Tell me, guys, tell me. Yes. Okay, chalo. So, हम करते हैं कुछ experiment. But before that, guys, I want to tell you something. Okay? So, what are we going to do? And you can also participate in the same experiment, bachcho. Okay? You can also participate. Do you have a glass sort of thing? I mean, a transparent glass kind of thing. अभी है क्या तुम्हारे पास? Do you have a transparent glass, guys? Yes. Okay. If you do not have it, it's fine, guys. Let me add some water to the glass. So can you see that I have now filled the this glass with water right now, बच्चों? Yes or no? So can you tell me what are the two mediums that are present right now? कौन कौन से दो mediums है बच्चों हमारे पास? Tell me guys, what are the two mediums? Water and air. Shabash, air and water. Around me there is air and right now I have water. Ignore the glass. ठीक है, glass को ignore कर दो. Now students, I will be using a little bit Google because I want a picture of an arrow, guys. ठीक है? So let's Google the picture of an arrow and the picture is over here. So बच्चा party, can you see the arrow right now? दिख रहा है सबको? Can you see the arrow? Okay, let me reduce the brightness a little bit. Can you see the arrow right now, बच्चों? Tell me. Yes. Now guys, this arrow right now is moving towards the right direction. Yes or no? It is moving towards the right direction, बच्चों. हाँ या ना? Right? It is moving towards the right. Now refraction is going to reverse the arrow. See. अरे यार, how dirty this water is, guys. I'm very sorry about this water, but this water is like really dirty. But I will show you this. Okay, don't worry. So guys, for that we need this thing. We need this thing, and can you see that now our arrow is reversed? So here the arrow is here, but now when we just put it near the phone, this is reversed, बच्चों. अभी ये reverse हो चुका है. It is reversed, guys. Okay, so this is basically the bending of light, or this is basically what we call as refraction. अभी भी सही से दिखा नहीं होगा. You might not have noticed it. So let's just do this thing again. एक बार और करते हैं. Let's just do this thing again. Okay. So can you see now that now the arrow is bent? अभी दिख रहा है? Arrow is bent. Right? अब तो दिख रहा है ना? Can you see that? Right? This is what the refraction is. समझ में आया बच्चों? This is what refraction is. So the arrow is bent. I hope it is clear, guys. Sorry for this. Again, फिर से देख लो बच्चों. Don't complain later on. All right? The arrow is now bent. Okay? Oh, sorry. The arrow is now reversed. Bent बोल रहा हूँ. So light is bent and the arrow is reversed. I hope it is clear to you बच्चों. So did you see that what exactly refraction can do? समझ में आया कि what refraction can do really बच्चों? Yes or no? Yes. Very good बच्चों. ठीक है? Now students, you might be thinking, but sir, why the light is bending? Why the things are looking like this? सोच रहे हो कि नहीं? Tell me guys. Are you thinking the same thing? That sir, why the light is looking like this? Why the light is bending? So students, let's try to understand that as well. इसे भी हम समझते हैं फटाफट से. Quickly we are going to understand that. Okay? Now students, light is going to bend because the speed of the light is going to change. जब लाइट की स्पीड होगी, that is going to change, guys. Okay. Now I will ask you a question. ठीक है? Imagine that you have a situation in which you have a busy road. Okay? You have a busy road and you have a road which is not busy. A road which is free from traffic. All right? Just a road. Free road. Nothing is there. Empty road लिख देते हैं. All right? It will be clear. You have an empty road. Now students, if I ask you a question that if you have a bike, if you have a car, if you have a cycle, if you have just legs, on what road can you move really fast? कौन सी road पे एकदम fast जा सकते हो? Tell me guys. Where can you move really fast? Empty road, right? We can move really fast on an empty road, but we cannot go fast on a busy road. Now guys, will you hold this point in your mind for a minute? इस point को अपने दिमाग में रखो, right? Just hold this point for a minute in your mind that you can go very fast on an empty road, but you can go very slow in a busy road. Okay? ठीक है. Very good students. Now students, I will show you what happens with light. So बच्चों, right now we have a situation. We have glass, right? And we have the glass molecules that you can see over here, which are very big in size because glass is a solid substance, right? So all the molecules are big and they are very close. So here are the glass molecules that you can see. And right over here, we have vacuum, or we can say air, because air particles are very far from each other. Okay. So imagine if the light is going to enter, where it is going to move fastest. सबसे तेज कहाँ पे जाने वाली है? Tell me guys. If the light is going to enter, where it is going to be the fastest? Yes, that's correct. Air